finally we decided to go to the second waterfall today. Yeah. We group of 5 people with 1 staff. Finally, we decided to go to the second waterfall today. Yeah. Her knee a bit better today, right? You okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Oh, okay, fine. Yeah. We group of 5 people. Yeah. With one staff going to the second waterfall. Last night heavy rain again, as you can see. So wet and humid. But the weather good. Oh, look at the mushroom. As last night heavy rain, many mushroom grew. Yeah. Okay. Here's the staff protecting us if elephants attack. Need the professionals with us because this season elephants come down and close to the lake, so maybe anytime they attack. Okay, I think it's okay. Just can you hear the waterfall? We close, I think, about 900 meter. Yeah, I saw the sign. Yeah. 900 meters left to the first waterfall. Okay. Harmony, you fine?
I'm fine.
Okay, good. We're lucky to meet these nice guys outside the national park office today. We quickly decide to go together for the hike. And you know, having a group make the whole experience much more fun. Yeah. Oh, thank you. you.
อุ้ยมีปูด้วยปู
I thought you said cool. I'm everywhere. Take a break.
โอ้ยสีนงกรอบแกรบ
Sure. Professional is helping, huh?
จะติดกัน
So beautiful.
Wow. Almost. Yeah.
This is Thailand. Oh, so beautiful. ต้องเต้นแล้วล่ะที่ว่านะใส่เพลงไหมคะหรือว่าใส่เอาตัว อ๋อเข้าใจค่ะเข้าใจค่ะอาลิตาบิด
อ้าวไทย
ฟังไทยได้อาลิตาบิดค่ะเอา
แฟ
เห
น
รอ
ไทยแฟนไทย
มันมีเขาเอาภาพไม่เป็นไรอยากหาตอนนี้หาอะไรใหม่มากที่ไม่ใช่ตรงนี้อยู่ตรงนี้ไปก่อนโอกาสแบบนี้หนูไม่ได้มีมาบ่อยๆเนี่ยความเหนื่อยความเสี่ยงแบบเนี้ยหนูไม่สามารถหาได้ในเมืองใช่พี่แทนรู้แล้วนะโอเค
ลงไปอ่ะ
ได้ before rain
Oh, okay, we have to go before rain. Oh, okay.
เล็กนะ
Yeah.
เล็กนะ
Okay, we are leaving.
ไอ้พวกไอ้เค็ม
Go. Oh. ปกติแล้วชอบเที่ยวแคมปิ้งกัน
ใช่ค่ะเขาชอบ แต่ว่าที่นี่เราดูก่อนที่เราแบบมาก่อน
พักอยู่ที่ประเทศใช่ไหมพี่
ใช่วัดที่อยู่เราขาว
วันนี้ผมมางานก็รันมา Be careful. Swim?
He told if you want to swim,
Oh.
he will swim with you.
Okay, huh? Okay. And it's huge, huh? Oh, yeah. On the way back, it was a great idea to swim in a waterfall. Which way? This way, right? Oh yeah, here also can get there. We need to go up. We get lost. Come. Yeah, I remember can go up here. Yeah. Correct. It's the shortcut here. Come, I remember. Since last time. Ah, yeah. Today, everywhere wet, the same shape. Cannot realize if you're a little bit slow. Ah, yeah. See the sign? Okay, yeah, we are in the right way. They're so fast, huh? We just stopped a little. Yeah, I was saying, yeah, it was very great idea. The guy recommended me, yeah, to swim. I thought we don't have time, but the staff said it's okay. I wait for you. Yeah, it was perfect. Very cold water, refreshing. Yeah. Look at these mushrooms. Wow, a lot. Oh, it's going to rain. On the way back, after the something get inside my mouth. Yeah, after the first waterfall, all high hill, almost 80% of the way. And as we swam, yeah, lost more energy. I think we'll be there about 20 minutes, 30 minutes, something, to the camping site. Okay. How are you, baby? You're fine. I don't think so. When she's quiet, it's when she's exhausted. Thank you.
ไอ้ตัวแมลงตัวเล็กๆอะค่ะที่มันมีปีกแล้วมันเกาะแล้วมันกัดแล้วเลือดออกมัน เรียนรู้เรียกว่าอะไรอะคะ
เลือกครับ
เลือก
ครับ
แต่ตอนเนี้ยหนูหลับหลับแล้วต้องมีอีกยาที่ทำมะเร็งไว้กับแซมบักได้ไหมแซมบักใช้ที่สุดทางได้หลายที่อย่างที่แบบคือที่ซื้อมาอีกตัวนึงด้วย เพราะว่าเขาแบบอยากให้มันมีครอบครัว
I have no idea what they're talking about.
ที่ก็เลยซื้อตัวนึง
Just enjoy the view.
ใช่ตัวแรกที่อยากเป็นน้องผู้หญิงอีกตัวหนึงเนี่ยเป็นน้องผู้ชายของที่ตัวแรกเป็นตัวสกอตติชโชว์แล้วก็ตัวที่สองเป็นโชว์
Actually, I can understand Thai a little.
ที่รับมา
Yeah,
น้อง
but
ก็ปกติแต่ว่า
not that much
น้อง
advanced level.
น้องก็แบบเป็นที่เราไปตรวจอะเขาบอกว่ามันเป็นไข้หัดเหงื่อแล้วโรงพยาบาลที่เอาไปอะเขาแค่แบบว่ายาให้น้อง
Oh, I think she's talking about our kitten
นอน
who passed away. Yeah, we bought 2 kittens. Unfortunately, one of them got virus. I don't remember the name of the virus and
ร้องไห้
couldn't handle it.
ทำ
Yeah,
ไม่ได้เลยอะวันนั้นแบบต้อง
we took him to the hospital and
ตรงนี้ลงไปตรงนู้นเลยแล้วคิดว่า
many injection medicine, but he couldn't. Yeah, make it and passed away. Yeah, he was so cute. And now we have one. The girl. Yeah, her name Lucky. For sure you will see her in our next videos. It's our kid.
เมื่อวานตอนที่ไปถ่ายเขา
Okay guys, done. Yeah, it was perfect. Yeah, you agree?
Yeah.
Sanuk mai? Sanuk mai? Oh, take photo.
วิดีโอ
Okay.
วิดีโอ
Oh, video.
เดี๋ยว
Okay.
เดี๋ยวมากระสีโฟนดีเล็กดีเล็กหมดแล้ว คนไปหมดแล้ว เหลือแค่เราบีบี
Yeah.
ไม่มีใครแล้ววัน
Oh,
นี้อัด
yeah. Oh, yeah. Everyone left. See there? Just 2, 3 tents left, and our tent over there. Oh my god. Yeah, it was great. We met the nice guys. Yeah, it was perfect. Yeah, we've been here a couple of times, but I can say this time was the best. Even this time we busy to take the video, prepare for YouTube, but it was great, amazing. Nice staff. Really thanks him. Kapunkam, all the staff in Saraburi National Park, that they really take care of this nature and they make the good environment for us. Yeah, should really respect them. Kapun Maka, and yeah, try to keep here clean, listen to them, yeah, follow any safety rules. Yeah, don't get inside the forest without the staff, especially in this season. Cute elephants can be dangerous, as they said. I didn't expect, because we don't have actually elephant in my country, and elephant is always it's so calm, cute, and it is, but in a wild it's so different. Yeah, maybe they fear and they hurt you. So yeah, just listen to them, you will enjoy more. Everything perfect. Yeah, just you need to adjust yourself with the nature and be careful. Going to waterfall, not really hard, not dangerous, but it's some part, especially if it's heavy rain the night before. Yeah, you have to be careful on the rocks. When you walk, when you step on the rocks, you have to be really careful. Yeah, okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this trip with us. Yeah, we going to pack the tent, maybe add 1 or 2 more videos, or maybe not. Okay, so I hope you know everything about Saraburi National Park now. Our video good enough, we explain details. If you have any question, please ask me. in social media. I'll add my line and WhatsApp, yeah, here. So yeah, ask me any question about this place. We've been here a couple of times, as I said, so we have some experience to share. Yeah. So see you guys in a next video. Bye bye.